Okay, so what if your meal planner knew you? I mean, really knew you. Better than you know yourself, maybe. Not just that you like tacos, but that you're trying to hit a new fitness goal, that your budget is a little tight this month, or, that you're still getting the hang of those fancy knife skills. Today, we're gonna look at a new kind of intelligence that's trying to do exactly that.
I mean, seriously, think about the one you might be using right now. Does it have any clue that you're training for a 10K or that you're trying to save a little extra cash this month? What about the fact that chopping an onion still feels like a major chore? The answer is probably a big no.
And that's the whole problem, isn't it? Most of these apps are basically just big, dumb recipe books. They spit out a recipe, but they have no idea about the bigger picture, your actual life, your health goals, what's in your bank account. They're built for some imaginary average person. And let's be real, none of us are that person.
So what if there was a system that wasn't like that? A system designed to get all of it? Well, that's exactly where Chef Astra enters the picture. And I want to be clear, this isn't just another meal planning app. It's aiming to be a whole new category of what they're calling meal intelligence. So what's the secret sauce here? It all comes down to one key idea: continuous learning. See, Chef Astra doesn't just ask for your preferences once and then call it a day. No, this is the important part. It learns from every single meal. It pays attention to your feedback, and it actually adapts in real time as your life changes. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how in the world does it juggle all that information? This is where it gets really, really cool. Chef Astra isn't just one single giant AI trying to do everything. Instead, it's designed like a whole team of different AI specialists, and they're all working together just for you.
Now, the technical term for this is a multi-agent system. But honestly, forget the jargon. The idea is simple. Human nutrition is super complex, right? You've got health, taste, budget, time, all these things competing. One single AI just can't be an expert in all of it. So Chef Astra's approach is to give you a team. It's literally like having your own personal doctor, a top-tier nutritionist, and a master chef all collaborating in your pocket.
So let's meet the team, starting with the health team. Think about this. You've got 3 AIs working in parallel. First, there's the dietitian, who's looking at your long-term health. Then you have the doctor, whose only job is to watch out for clinical safety, allergies, medical conditions, all that critical stuff. And finally, the sports nutritionist, laser-focused on your performance and recovery goals. The key thing is, these guys work together to create a safety and health blueprint before any food is even suggested. All right, so once that health and safety foundation is locked in, it gets handed off to the culinary team. This is where the Master Chef AI steps in. It takes that health brief, looks at your budget, your skills, your tastes, and this is so smart, it consults other specialist chefs. Maybe it pings the vegan chef for a plant-based idea, or the Japanese chef for a specific technique. It's this amazing collaborative process that ends with a totally custom, ready-to-make plan. But honestly, for me, this next part is the real game changer. It's the one thing that truly sets this whole idea apart. The system has a memory. It doesn't just plan a meal and forget about it. It learns from every single dish to make the next one even more perfect for you. And this is where you can really see the difference. Your standard app basically has amnesia. The second you log off, it forgets you exist. Every plan starts from square one. Chef Astra, on the other hand, builds a memory. It remembers that you thought last week's chicken dish was a little too spicy, and it will adjust. It literally gets smarter the more you use it. It grows with you.
So when you put all of this together, you can see this is so much more than just another meal planner. It's not a recipe generator. It's a dynamic, intelligent system that's completely dedicated to your goals, whether that's your health, your finances, or your performance.
And that really just leaves us with one big question to think about. Just imagine for a second, whether you're an elite athlete, a busy parent, a student on a budget, or hey, just someone trying to feel a little bit better, what do you think you could achieve if every single meal you ate was perfectly, intelligently, and completely personalized just for you? Pretty powerful thought, right?